Hello, my name is Firman Ghani and I'm from 11th Building Modeling and Information of Design. I'm a member of Group 3 and in this tutorial or procedural text, I will guide you through the process of creating a 3D house model in SketchUp and render it in Enscape. Just a quick information about the software that we'll be using. The first software is SketchUp. SketchUp is a powerful and user-friendly 3D modeling software widely used in architecture and design, especially in vocational high school in Indonesia. And the second software is Enscape. With Enscape, we can enhance our models with real-time rendering, realistic lighting, and high-quality textures, making our designs much more immersive and visually appealing. And in this tutorial, we'll go through the key steps of modeling a house in SketchUp, and then after that we'll go to render the model and applying materials, rendering the final scene in Enscape. So let's get started. Our goals here is how to make a 3D house model in SketchUp and render it in Enscape. The first thing that you have to do is check the software details and system requirements for each software. In this case, it's SketchUp and Enscape. I will provide the information in the video. So if you already know what kind of software that we are using and the kind of laptop that you are going to be using, let's get started to step 2. The step 2 is install SketchUp and Enscape in your laptop. After you have done the installing, and then we can go to the next step. If you want to tutorial to install SketchUp and Enscape, you can go right through the website for downloading SketchUp and Enscape. The third step is to open your SketchUp. Just a quick double tap and then we will greet it with a welcome tab by SketchUp, and all you have to do is choose the measurement units. If you're new to this, just ignore the rest of the thing, and I will choose the centimeters units because it's easier and I got a lot of project in centimeters. And you can also choose meter, millimeter, inches, it depends on you. So this is it, a new fresh project. If you don't have all the things that I have hanging on my screen, it's totally fine. We can continue to make the 3D models. The next step, or the fourth step, is you have to import a 2D drawing, AutoCAD drawing that you have made. And after all that, all you have to do is save your SketchUp file. Just click Ctrl+S and then choose where you want to save it, and don't forget to name it after that. And after that, the sixth step is you have to put together the 2D drawing. So you can see here there is a full floor plan, the first floor plan and the second floor plan. There's section A, B and C all the way to the F. What I'm going to do here is just to put things together and make sure it's accurate. The seventh step is now we can start modeling it by using tools provided in SketchUp. We're going to be changing the camera, change it to parallel projection and then change the view to top. Then you can start drawing the floor plan with the rectangle tools, or you can press L for the shortcut. The eighth step is we're going to make the wall in SketchUp. It's actually very simple. all you have to do is to use the push or pull tool in SketchUp and start pulling the geometry like that, and there you go, you have a wall. After all that finish, now we go to the ninth step, is drawing the second floor plan. Okay, so now it's the second floor plan. We're going to do the exactly same thing on the first floor plan, just redraw it and put a rectangle, change the view, and so on. The 10th step is you have to move the second floor toward the first floor plan. So the 11th step is setting up the text in SketchUp. In this step, I'm going to set up the text in order to have a coherent workflow in the future. So this feature allows you to hide text object in one click, and it makes you much more efficient, effective, and faster. So the 12th step is making the wall in the second floor. So now it's going to be the same. I have to change the view again, the camera, and then start pulling the wall with push and pull tools until it's all done. Yeah, just like that. So we've made quite a progress here. We have created the wall, and then the 13th step is to make the windows and doors. So I have to import some AutoCAD files here. Okay, and then I have to just quite a few things to set up. Okay. Now we have to draw a line around the door frame. Start making the door frame, and I'm using aluminum. I'm just going to draw it. And then use the follow me tool, and yep, it's all done. After the frame is done, now it's the door. just have to color it and putting some design to it. Okay, so I've done creating all the door and window. So the 14th step is to put the windows and the door. We have to put the window and the door and in the place that I have set in the floor plan until it's all done. The 15th step is to detail the concrete floor in the second floor. So I have to model the concrete floor. We're just going to use the pull and push tool here, and then I'll make the balcony. Okay, it's all done. So the 16th step is I'm going to make a roof for my house. will make the roof of this house. What you just do is to watch the video, and I'm going to use the rectangle. And follow me. You just have to draw a few lines. After all that, I just have to put the roof on top of the house, and there you have it, a roof. That's it, it's all done. Okay, do the next step. So after I make the roof, the 16th step is to make the roof tile. I'm going to use the concrete roof tile. I'm just going to draw a line just like that, up 5 centimeter, and draw a line to the half line, and then I'm going to copy and paste it until it reaches the end. And I'm going to select the rectangle and use the follow me tools, and yep, there you have it. And the roof tile color is supposed to be black. Yeah. Maybe a little grayish like that, and it's all done. The 18th step is to finish up the details in the roof. In this step, I'm going to detailing the roof. We add like roof ceiling and ridge and other things that is classified, and I'm going to start by making the roof ceiling and the raised plank. Just like other part, we have to draw it using line and then use the follow me tools. And then it's going to be all done. And then I have to make the ridge. It's pre-made, it's already here. All I have to do is just pull it and then copy and paste it around the edge of the roof. Okay. this 19th step, I'm going to show you the cool future of text. Just click the LL there and it's all gone. So this is the 20th step. So I'm going to finish up the top part of the house, finishing all the details and everything, so until it's all covered on top of the house. So in this part I'm going to use concrete roof, just a rectangle, put pull and it's done. Now the 21st steps is to make the stairs. It's close to the end. We're going to finish it on the stairs. Going simple stairs here, just a rectangle, then cut it out, then make a lot of stairs, and then there's one big stairs, and just put it in the house, and yeah. I think we have done all. Yeah, I think we have done all in this house. We're just going to do some texturing, and then it's all done. So now it's the 22nd step. We're going to render it in Enscape. You just have to click on Enscape, and then it looks good enough. There's the settings, or that you have to. That's the HDRI, the sky. I'm going to make it save the file, save the picture, and there you have it. A nice render. It looks pretty good.